Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today I'm going to talk about how I honestly believe that millionaires will be made from CRO Coin and from cryptos overall. I think there is so much upside for the cryptocurrency market cap, and that comes off the back of a huge failure by the second largest bank to ever collapse in the history of the US, which could catapult Bitcoin and crypto up to its next all-time high, leading into this Bitcoin halving that's coming up in the next 2024 or 2025 year ahead. And I do believe that this means huge things for CRO Coin investors. If you guys are holding even a small amount of CRO Coin, you can make thousands, possibly hundreds of thousands of dollars. But if you do have a decent sized bag of CRO, I think there are a lot of millionaires out there that are going to be made. Probably a lot of people that watch this channel, I'm sure, are holding a lot of CRO, or maybe you're accumulating some bags and you're wondering, how much do I need? Let's talk a little bit about it, guys, in this video and why I'm feeling so good today. If you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every day for you, and at 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. Guys, market cap's moving up. At the time of this recording, we are at $976 billion, moving back up above the $1 trillion mark today, hopefully. There's an emergency meeting by the Fed. I did a video earlier today. I highly urge you to check it out, all about SVB Bank and the emergency Fed meeting coming out. But we're not going to talk about that in this video. That is a catalyst that's moving it up. But right now, we do see, first of all, look at this move in the overall market cap, moving back up towards the $1 trillion mark, which is fantastic to see. And if you look at CRO versus Bitcoin, let's remember this as well. We do believe that there will be a time where CRO moves up against Bitcoin, and we have at least a 454% move of CRO versus Bitcoin in the next bull market if history repeats itself in any capacity. History doesn't always repeat itself, but it certainly does rhyme. And we do expect CRO to hit the top of this band against Bitcoin at some point in the next bull market. And as you can see here, it could happen just over a few short weeks. So we got to be ready to take profit. Obviously, here was a stretch, a couple months where CRO was moving up against Bitcoin, and then you saw the Staples Center was taken over by the Cryptocom arena. That's what moved it up in a big way. I'm sure there will be other big events. We got a metaverse coming out. But right now we do see, got to keep that in mind, a lot of upside for CRO against Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is making a strong move right now, which is spectacular to see, back above $21,000, probably on account of, one, the emergency meeting coming with the Fed, which we talked about, potential lowering of interest rates, or at least lower interest rates than we thought, and then bullish moves for markets and crypto on account of a bank failure, guys. But this is the issue, so if they do slash these basis points, if they do slash the rates, this will send Bitcoin in a very upward direction. And as we looked in this other CRO versus Bitcoin chart, we do expect CRO to move up versus Bitcoin in a big way. So if Bitcoin makes its all-time highs again, we know that CRO can make some really big all-time highs again. At least, especially because it has such a lower market cap, right? Bitcoin's got a $450 billion market cap versus CRO's $1.8 billion market cap. A lot more upside for a smaller cap coin. And given that it's a huge onboarding ramp for crypto, I do believe that this is such a great coin and a great product. The world's leading cryptocurrency platform. If you haven't used the app, or if you have, then you got to know how awesome this is to use. I highly suggest anybody who hasn't used the app to check it out. Guys, by the way, we're not sponsored by Crypto.com in any way. We do hold some Crypto.com tokens. We love the project just because of the research that we've done. That's the only reason we talk about this coin. And the CRO fam is extremely strong, and I know you guys love this content. Well, we happen to love this project, and there's a lot of reasons why. You look at the different products that they have. They've got this app, which is used by over 80 million users versus Binance's 140 or 150 million users. Half the amount of users of the world's largest exchange, but it only has 1/20th or 1/50th even of the market cap. That is crazy to think about. Really undervalued in our opinion. It's got an NFT platform. You can pay with your Crypto.com card. It's got DeFi, which we believe is the future. You look at this bank run right now, and it shows the future is in decentralized finance. We want transparency on a blockchain, not a bank doing business behind closed doors, doing things the wrong way, not an FTX not being transparent with what they're doing. You got Coinbase, you got Binance, you got Crypto.com that are showing their reserves, showing everything on the ledger. This is what we want to see, guys. And there's a lot of great products, and this is why I do believe this project is inevitably going to be huge. And since DeFi is so big, note, Ethereum is losing market share over time versus other chains. And if you don't already know this, Crypto.com has its own blockchain, its own layer 2 solution, and it is interactable with all the other blockchains essentially through Cosmos' SDK program, which is awesome. If you do look at what's on Cosmos, you got to note that CRONOS is the #1 project on Cosmos, which is spectacular. Right now, in an overall DeFi total value locked up, CRONOS comes in at rank number 9 with $359 million worth of value locked up. I could expect to see this in the top 5. Note that Binance is at number 2. And this is great because the CRONOS coin is the utility token for this blockchain, giving it more value. On top of that, you have a metaverse coming out in Q2 of 2023, giving even more value to the case of the CRONOS token, which is exciting. And let's just pretend that CRO had the market cap of Binance. That would bring us to $1.76. If you had $37,000, which is a lot of money to have in CRO, for the record. I'm not saying everybody has that. Most people watching this video do not have close to $37,000 worth of CRO. And if you do, let us know in the comments down below. You, my friend, are doing a great job buying this dip. But if you have $37,000 worth of CRO and CRO takes the market cap of Binance, you hit $1 million. But guys, this is only if it takes the market cap of Binance. When we get a bull market, Binance is going to 10x, maybe even more. And hey, maybe it only 5x's, but it's going to go up past its previous all-time high, at least more valuable than it is today. And we believe that CRO should be at least half as valuable. So let's just pretend CRO only gets to $1. No, let's just pretend CRO gets to $1. If you have a 5x off that dollar, if you have a 2x off that dollar, a 10x off that dollar, you could have a $2, $5, $10 CRO. And now you have $37,000 in CRO. Congratulations, you have $2, $10, $5 million maybe. If you have 10,000 CRO, congratulations. If we get to a $5 CRO, you will have $1 million. That would be incredible. Actually, I think if we get to a $5 CRO, if you have 10,000, you'd have $500,000, I believe the math is. But 100,000aires will be made. Millionaires will be made eventually by this token, guys. It's really only a matter of time. And as we've seen banks start to fail and the panic come out, and the Fed come out talking about how they may lower the interest rates moving into the next bull market, guys, that leads to very, very bullish predictions for not only Bitcoin, but CRONOS and the rest of the crypto market out there. Guys, remember, if Bitcoin can get up to a $200,000 price in maximum bubble territory, it's sometime in, maybe it's March of 2025, or maybe it's the fall of 2024, where do you think CRO Coin's going to be? Well above $1, most likely, possibly in the $2 to $5 range. Let me know what your thoughts are, guys, on the channel. Let me know how many CRO you have. Is 10,000 CRO enough to become a millionaire? It could be, guys. It really could be. We'll just have to see if we can get to a $10 CRO. I mean, that'd be crazy. If you can get 20,000 CRO coins, maybe you can become a millionaire off 20,000 CRO coins at a $5 CRO, right? So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I do believe in the future for this project, given how big this exchange is and how popular cryptocurrency should become. Not to mention all the marketing partnerships that Crypto.com has, guys. It's almost an inevitability. We'll get back to $1 for CRO. And as Bitcoin makes its way up to these all-time highs, we could have a 5, 10, 20, 100x for CRO. Let me know what your thoughts are below, guys. That's all we got. I'm Crypto Kip. We're giving away a Loaded Lion. We're excited about the Loaded Lion project as well, with the metaverse launch coming in Q2. At 25,000 subscribers, we're giving this away, guys. Follow us on _crypto report. And if you haven't done so already, follow our YouTube, subscribe, guys. And if you want to become a member, all you got to do is go to the channel and join right here. You get access to these custom emojis during the live streams and these loyal badges next to your name. in the comments and during the live streams every Tuesday, Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Folks, that's all I got. Are you going to be a Crow millionaire, guys? I would sure love to be a Crow millionaire. Maybe you're going to be a Bitcoin millionaire. Let me know in the comments below, guys. That's all we got. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you here. One of them's about that Bitcoin and SVB interaction. Check it out, guys. Peace.